Where are we? This looks like a big abandoned factory.
Wow.
What in the holy? Is that a big dog day? We need to survive. I got a flashlight. I carried one with me.
Follow me.
Okay.
Take my lead. Put in these boxes and you will be safe.
Okay. Okay, guys, we should be pretty safe in here. And yeah, welcome back to today's video. But today we are stuck with Evil Dog Day. We found this hole, we decided to jump in, but it looks like an abandoned part of the factory. So let's just stay hidden in this crate. I don't know. I kind of want to help, so let's go.
Pretend we're making my own video, okay?
Well, it's my video. Okay. Where is... There's Dog Day. Come on, guys. Hey, come and give me your big fluff.
Why did you call my big dad a big fluff? That's my big dad.
Guys, we gotta run. He's on us. Oh, God. Come on, guys. We gotta keep running. Never give up and never surrender. You can do anything.
Are they counting on us? Are they subscribing and liking?
Guys, subscribe and like if you guys believe me and Sebastian can do this. I'm trying to find her right now, but somebody's dad keeps on chasing me. Okay.
I guess I found him, guys! I found him, guys!
Okay, we're coming.
Follow me, you big fluff.
Ah, he killed me. Okay, guys, he killed me, but I might have an idea. We're gonna try to trap him. Hey, Cottontail. Big bag of fluff.
Cottontail.
I was calling your dad that. Come here, Fluffy. Come here, that's right. Follow me. Oh God, it's a dead end! He threw me out of the wall, guys. Okay, what if we don't jump in the hole?
Pretend I didn't solve that there, okay?
Ah! We were definitely stuck in the factory, and then this is a deeper part of the factory. Ah!
This is what I found! I am so lucky!
It's Gummy Goo! Guys, if you watch an amazing digital circus, this is Gummy Goo!
Come down here!
Gummy Goo, come on!
Who's Gummy Goo? Gummy Goo.
Gummy Goo?
Jason! I am so lucky! I found a big hole right here. Boing!
Where did the Gummy Goo go? Guys,
Jason, do you want to play something else?
guys, this is going to be it for my video today. We're going to cut it, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Come here, doggy doggy.